How to improve Snapchat discovery using ghost codes. If you're a new Snapchat user, you may find it a little difficult to find relevant content and people to follow. And of course, you can always go into the add friends section and add by username or address book or snap code or nearby, but that depends on you knowing someone's snap code or username or knowing someone who uses Snapchat that's in your address book or close to you. Now that does present a challenge to new snappers, but thankfully an app like GhostCodes can make it easy to discover new people to follow and new brands to follow. For instance here, this is the GhostCodes main user profile page. When you set up an account with GhostCodes, you can set up your account, which basically looks like a profile page. You can link all of your other social accounts so people can really get an idea of what type of person you are, what type of stuff you post. And not just that, but you can also list your interests so people can search on your interests. You can put yourself under a specific category so people can find you categorically. It's just really cool for discovery. So here is the main featured page. It's going to list all of the snappers that are featured currently, and this is curated by the GhostCodes team. And then there's the aforementioned categories section, which allows you to really focus in and hone in on specific areas of interest and then find snappers relevant to those interests. So here's my profile under techie. And then people can actually like your profile, and that causes you to rise through the rankings in GhostCodes. It makes it more easy to find people who post really good content. So you can see Brian's page here, you see all of his interests, all of his social accounts, his description, and it also gives you a little download button there to download his snap code. So I just tap that, it saves to the camera roll automatically, and then you can also give a kudos. So you just tap that and that will cause him to rise through the rankings because you recommended him, which makes him easier to find for ghost code users. Now, since I downloaded that snap code, I just open up Snapchat, tap add by snap code. You'll see it right there in your camera roll. You just tap it and it adds it just like that. Super simple, super easy. So if you want to use GhostCodes, you will need to sign up for a GhostCodes account. It is not linked in any way to your actual Snapchat account, which is actually a good thing because no kind of shady stuff is going to happen. They're not asking you for your Snapchat account or your credentials for Snapchat. You just basically set up a separate account that's based all around discovering new Snapchat users. And I guess that could technically be deemed as a downside because that means that only people who sign up to GhostCodes are going to be able to be found using GhostCodes. So if you're trying to find someone who hasn't signed up for GhostCodes, then you're not going to be able to find them. But if you're looking for a way to discover new brands and people to follow, maybe you're a new Snapchat user and find it difficult to discover new people, then check out GhostCodes. Let me know what you think in the comments. This is Jeff with 9 to 5 Mac.